Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to take your AD200s and put them on the AB-B2 adapter so that you can get 400 watt seconds of power without having to go buy a 400 watt second unit, which costs more than two AD200s put together. Not to mention having two AD200s is more versatile than just having one big one to carry around. So this is what they make. It's called an AB-B200. And if you guys are like me, you probably got different heads on your AD200s right now. One of these says Evolve 200. It's the same as Godox. It's just Adorama's brand. So same exact flash. You either have this head on the front. So you want to pull the side, pull that off. This is the front. This is the back where you put the AD200s. You can see the contacts down in there. So you line up your contacts. So we've got one on there. And the other one, I have the bare bulb on. So take this out. Take the bulb out that I'm going to be using in just a second. Take this top off. You have to be able to get to this part to mount it to the adapter. So we're going to line up these holes or connectors with these connectors. Turn it around. There goes the battery. Try not to bump your battery release button or that'll happen to you. All right, so both batteries are back in there. Now we have both AD200s on the back for one unit that's 400 watt seconds. Now we're going to take the bulb that was in them, put one on the bottom, and find the other bulb. Put the other bulb on the top. All right, so now we have both bulbs with two AD200s behind it. Take your Godox AD200 transmitter that communicates with these. Make sure that you have both of these on the same channel. So if you're on channel 1 on here, both of these have to be on channel 1. Then when you get to your transmitter, you turn one of them to be A and the other one to B. Put them on both full power if you're in the bright sun. You can put this in a Bowens mount softbox, however you want to do it. They've even got a reflector that comes out 7 inches or so. So now what we have is a much cheaper AD400. Like I mentioned, like I said at the beginning, having two of these versus having one that costs more than both of these combined, it's also very beneficial because if you don't need both of these at one time, you can put one on each side, or if you're at a wedding, wherever you're shooting, you can put one on one side of the room and one on the other side of the room. So it's much better than just buying the 400. But also, the two bulbs on the end, I always put a bulb on the top and the bottom. Don't just put one bulb in the middle, because if you do that, you're giving 400 watt seconds to a bulb that's only designed for 200. So make sure you don't do that. I think there's a safety procedure, but I wouldn't want to find out. So one for each side. Make sure you're set on the same channel. And then set your A, B, or C for whichever one you want these calls. Make sure they're A, B, or C in here. And then you can control everything from your Godox transmitter. So that's how you put that together. You can put this on a stand and put a softbox over it. That's what I usually do. But that's how you do it. And next week, I'm going to be making a video of how to do it in live. I'll be shooting pictures. I'll be using this setup in the bright sun to show you what can be done with it. So check it out. Hey, and if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe. Have a good day.